Hello again, I am Dan Zaitsev, the founder and CEO of Getsend. Getsend is a payment collaboration platform designed for digital businesses and creators. Recently we started a series of lessons where we walk through our product and share more information about our core features. In our previous lesson, we explained how contractors, freelancers and all digital creators can share files with their clients and get paid online. And today we're gonna talk about how businesses can pay creators via cryptocurrencies to download files from them. First of all, let me share my screen with you. You may remember that in our previous video we uploaded the file and generated the referral link that you can send to your client via email address or using any preferred method. Today, let's assume I am your client. And I'm gonna open that referral link that you previously shared with me. And here is the landing page that all clients and businesses gonna see. I have to sign up using the same email address. That is very important to have the ability to see that offer and download it, and download that file as well. So previously I used such an email address, Getsend test 102 at gmail.com, and I'll just create some secured random password for now. So I have to finish that captcha and click sign up. Okay, as you can see here we have that file that I previously shared, and today I'm gonna pay for that file using the cryptocurrency. So I can click the submit secure payment, and your client will be redirected to our partnered payment provider. It's a secured and trusted payment provider that we selected from a bunch of different payment providers. Here, your client are able to select different payment methods, such as USDT, TRX, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. I'll go with the USDT payment method, and I'll select my network. Probably I'll go with TRX20. Okay, pay. So as a client, I have to wait and see that wallet address will be generated. Now I have to open any cryptocurrency wallet, such as Binance, Trust Wallet, or wherever, and pay using that address. But I'm also able to scan that QR code directly from my screen using a QR code scanner. So I'll place that code here and everything will be filled automatically. So, and now I'm gonna pay that amount that I have to pay. Please keep in mind that I successfully paid, but crypto transactions may take up to 5 or 10 minutes before everything will be proceed. So we have to wait until all the data through all blockchains will be filled out. So just relax and wait a bit, like 1 or 2 or 3 minutes more, and wait for the confirmation. Okay, good news. So the transaction has been successfully proceed, and now I can see the confirmation. I can click go back, and I'll be returned automatically to my dashboard. And as you can see, now I have a button here named download. So I'll click download and my file will be downloaded automatically. So here how your customers and clients, businesses, wherever, can pay for your work, for your files, and safely download your content. Moreover, clients and businesses are able to download and get invoices just simply clicking on that button. All the invoices will be presented as a PDF file, so you can simply discover all the information, all the hashtags, transaction IDs, and so on. Here is how your clients and businesses can download files from you. In the next lessons, we're gonna talk about how digital freelancers, creators, and contractors can withdraw their profit to any cryptocurrency wallets, exchanges, wherever. Keep in touch, subscribe to our YouTube channels and social media networks, and see you soon. Bye.